beautiful dreamers, it's Nova Rose the Beauty Nerd here, and today I am showing you guys my makeup routine. Now this will be the makeup that I generally do when I'm going, like, say out with a friend, or I'm going to be in public for a while, or if I'm filming. So I don't wear this makeup every day, obviously, because some days I have to work, and honestly I don't feel like wearing a whole lot of makeup every day, but this is just what I do on, days that I'm filming or days that I'm going out into public. So as you can see, I'm starting off with no makeup on, and the first thing we're going to do is take a bobby pin and just take my side bangs and pin them back to expose my beautiful face. Also, what is my hair doing? We're gonna take another bobby pin to hopefully tame those little baby hairs, but probably not because they tend to get everywhere. Okay, first thing I'm going to be starting out with is this Clean and Clear moisturizer. I always use this before I do my face, just to moisturize my face, and this also helps with acne a little bit, and then like the dry spots right here with my nose. So I just take this and I put it all over my face. For primer, I will be using the Benefit Porefessional primer, and I'm only going to be using a little bit on the sides of my nose and my cheeks because that's where I feel like my pores are the most noticeable, especially on the sides of my nose. So I just take that, put it right there, put it on my nose as well, sides of my nose, pore, and then a little bit on my cheeks, and this does help your skin feel really nice and smooth. Alright, for foundation, I will be using this one by e.l.f. It is the Flawless Finish Foundation, and it is in porcelain. And I will be using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to apply it. So I'm just going to kind of fastly move through this just so you don't have to sit through me slowly applying my foundation. So. Foundation is done. Now I will be moving on to brows, and I will be using the Anastasia Brow Definer in dark brown. It's the one with the kind of triangular shaped. And as usual, I will be kind of speeding this up just so, you know. So eyebrows are done. Obviously, I don't know, I always struggle with my eyebrows. I think it's gonna be a little bit of a journey to figure out what I want to do with them, but they're done, so we'll just leave it at that. Next up is eyeshadow, and the palette I'm going to be using for that is the Tarteist Pro palette by Tarte. I really like this palette. I need to use it more often, but it's a great palette. It's a great palette. It's got lots of colors. So I'm going to start off with, let's see if I can not blind the camera. There we go. I'm going to start off with this color up in the corner here, which is called Classic. And it is a matte white color, and I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to set the foundation that I have on my eyelids with it. Just, act as like a primer. Just get that all over. Up, I will be using this right here, this terracotta kind of orange color. It's called Whimsy, and I'm going to use that as a transition color to start out with. So I'm going to just sweep that through the crease. Color I'm going to be taking is this one right here, which is called No Filter, and it is kind of a mauve-y purple. And I'm just going to be taking it and sweeping it through the crease as well. Last color I'm going to be taking is this color right here, which is this dark purple. Sorry guys, the packaging makes it really hard to show you guys. Right here. And it's kind of this darker purple, and it's called Drama. And I'm just going to be focusing that on the outer corner of my eyes to darken this look up. For the lid color, I will be using Minx right here, which is kind of this browny purple. Alright, so now that the eyeshadow is done, I will be doing eyeliner. Eyeliner, I will be using my favorite, which is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and this is in Trooper, of course, the black one. Done. The next step is mascara, which for that I will be using the Benefit Roller Lash. I really like this mascara. I only use it on my top lashes because, I don't know, I feel like if I use it on my bottom lashes it looks kind of strange. So I just use it on my top, like so. Now that mascara is done, I'm going to be going in with concealer, and for that I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Neutral, and I'm just going to be taking this and putting this under my eyes, and that's kind of, I think, the only place I really put it. A little bit on my nose just to highlight it, and then a bit on my chin. And then I will be taking that e.l.f. brush again, and I will just be blending it out with that. So now that the concealer is done, I'm going to be going in with a little bit of powder. I don't generally powder my whole face. I just try to kind of set my under eyes and like a little bit of my T-zone in the places where I contour. So like right here I would set because I'm going to put powder contour over that. And that's about it. I generally try and keep my face pretty like dewy because I don't feel like, I have pretty normal skin, so I don't feel like I'm that oily or anything like that. So I'm just going to set my under eyes. And then just kind of like where I'll be contouring. So, and I totally forgot to mention what product I was using. I'm using my favorite, which is the Coty Airspun powder. You can get this at like Walmart or Walgreens, yada yada, and it's great drugstore powder. Okay, so now that we are done with the powder and concealer, I will be going back into the eyes, and I'm going to use that mauvey purple color, again, no filter, to just sweep under my eyes. Alright, and so for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I will be going in with Glam, which is this color right here, and just popping that on my inner corner, of course, and then on my brow bone a little bit. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Next we will move on to bronzing and contouring. Alright, so for bronzing, I will be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Bronzer, and I'm just going to be taking a large brush and just bronzing up the sides of my face. Just adding a little bit of warmth to my face as I am kind of pale in the winter time. For contour today, I will be using, of course, my favorite, which is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit in light medium, and I'm going to be using medium to cocoa to contour. just lightly dusting that. I don't generally try and contour too much because I don't feel like I need it because I have pretty good cheekbones already. So I just contour lightly. For highlight, I will be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. And today, I think I will use a butterscotch, which is right here, to highlight the high points. Alright, last step, which is lips. I'm going to be using the Twirl by ColourPop, and this is an ultra matte liquid lipstick. These are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks. So yeah, I'll just be using that and putting that all over my lips. Alright, so that is my makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Become a member of the Beautiful Dreamer family. That would be awesome. Follow my links below, and all products will be listed down in the description box as well. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.